Lincoln Electric is a worldwide manufacturer of welding and cutting solutions, and we've just actually celebrated our 100th year in Canada. We manufacture welding machines, consumables, and automated solutions in Canada. The main things we're going to be promoting is our latest welding machines, our latest advanced process welders, and our latest environmental solutions, which is our new low fume pulse mode and other fume extraction solutions. So stay tuned. We're looking forward to seeing you there. We are excited to be in Winnipeg. Winnipeg is a massive center of manufacturing, particularly in the ag industry. There's a lot of automation opportunities and environmental systems opportunities, and that's why we're bringing those systems to Winnipeg. We're looking forward to seeing you in Winnipeg at CanWeld 2018.